Hey guys, Samsung is expected to host its next Unpacked on January 17, where the Galaxy S24 series will be introduced. The event is taking place in the United States, San Jose, California, and now one leak claimed to reveal the pre-order and sale timeline. According to the leak, pre-order will be beginning right after the event with the shipment expected to arrive between January 26 and 30 and sale start from January 13 followed by a full market launch after that. The Galaxy S24 series flagship should be arrived with the same design as their predecessor, but we expect two software improvement including One UI 6.1 and generative AI called Grounds. We expect two Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus have a Exynos 2400 chipset in some market where the S24 Ultra only comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 all over the world with a boosted major Core X4X core of CPU. And learn more about Galaxy S24 series, check out this video. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.